This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333 Vic is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 37 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 11, refrigerator, external shower, awning, spare tire kit, slide-out, smoke detector, air conditioning, skylight, auxiliary battery, oven, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, mid-living area, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333 VIK is 8,990 pounds. This 2026 Venture RV SportTrek ST333 VIK. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.